What's up guys? So today Blaine's gonna teach me how to replace the rear wheel studs. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and get started. First I just have to take the wheel off the car. And for this car, the stock brake calipers have 90mm bolts, so just go ahead and take those off. And then we're gonna go ahead and take the rotor off. And then I'm just using a hammer just to pound out the studs until they come out. And then just kind of wiggle them on the side to wherever they fall out.
Hello, Daddy.
And then this is just a replacement stud, like this. We just got it at AutoZone and it was like $2. And then you just put the new one through just kind of the same way that you took the other one out. And you put the axle nut before you put in the lug nut, and then you just tighten it down using the impact gun. And then you just want to make sure that everything is flush in the back. And you're just gonna put everything back on just the same way that you took it off. So the rotor, the caliper, and then your wheel. And then that's it. Oh, that's awesome. So that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys again next time. Bye. Bye.
Bye.